Hi, I'm Bob McBride with MarineMax Osage Beach, and I'm here today with you on this NauticStar 243 DC. This is a great 24-foot deck boat here that will handle all of your family. It's powered by a Yamaha outboard 250 horsepower motor, so it'll get you up and down the lake real quick and give you lots of play options. We've got a walk-through on the back here. On the other side, or right over here, you've got a ladder for coming out of the water. Got a ski tow bar right here. Plenty of stuff. This boat also has a tower so you can do your wakeboard stuff up top. It gives you lots of different options to play with. One of the things that's nice, it's got a walk through here at the back so that you can walk through into the space here and then flip your seat down, and you don't have to step on your carpet or on your seating. Gives you plenty of stuff. You've got a battery control switch, very easily accessible. This boat also comes with the woven flooring. It's a snap-in flooring, makes it very easy to keep clean, and it's easy on your feet. Nice Corian countertop here with your sink to rinse off and get some drinks. Cup holders throughout the boat. Lots of spacious seating here. And one thing you're not lacking at all in this boat is storage. You've got storage under every seat compartment. You've got a lockable compartment over here. So you've got plenty of storage in this boat. You've got a head changing room right here, so that you can get in, get out, and it's got a mirror in there, and you can get changed and get out. The seats have flip-up bolsters here, so that you can sit up and see well when you're playing. This boat, like I said, has a capacity of 12 people, so yourself and 11 others, you can get out and have a lot of fun on the lake. It's got a nice infinity stereo here, and gives you lots of good sounds. It's equipped well with all kinds of lights and everything. And then when you go up into the front bow, it's nice, spacious bow. You've got seating for 4 or 5 people up here very easily. Access to the cooler, and off the front you've got another ladder and an anchor holder, built-in anchor storage right here. So that gives you plenty of play options, gets you on the lake with a complete package, and it's a very affordable package. So once again, this is Bob McBride with MarineMax Osage Beach. My contact information is with us. Thanks.